Okay guys, today we're going to talk about compound words and abbreviations. Remember that a compound word is two smaller words that I can push together to form a bigger word. Take for example this word doorway. If I break it apart, I get the words door and way. Let's look at an example of a little bit bigger word. Let's start by looking at this word grasshopper. If I come to this word and I don't know it, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a familiar word inside of it. So automatically as I'm looking, I see this word grass, and that's a really familiar word to me. I don't have to sound that word out. So now I'm left with this side over here. And I remember from what I know about my syllables that a CVC word doubles the consonant at the end and has that short vowel in the middle. So I know that I can break that word apart right here between this double consonant. So now I have hop, per. So now when I go to sound that word out, when I go to chunk it out, I have grass, hop, per. And if I blend that all together, I get grasshopper. Let's try a few more. I'm going to start by finding those familiar words. Okay? So in this word, I recognize the word hero. Here, I recognize the word head. Here, I recognize the word under. And here, I recognize the word after. So now that I've found those words that I recognize, I'm going to go back and sound out the ones that are a little bit tougher for me. Okay. So I have super, super, superhero. So there's my first word, superhero. Now this one's a little bit tougher. Okay, because I have that Q-U in there, and I have to remember that that makes the qu sound. And then I also have that bossy R pattern. So I have head, quarters, headquarters. Okay. Now I come over here. I have that GR blend, so ground, underground, underground. And then here, I remember that that double O makes that oo sound. So afternoon, afternoon. All right, now let's look at some abbreviations. Okay, Maria, I want you to look at this sentence. It says, Maria has baseball practice on WED afternoon. I want you to start by looking at this abbreviation. Okay. I can tell that it's an abbreviation because it has a capital W and it has a period at the end. So I know that that's a shortened word, okay? And I'm thinking about the days of the week, and the only one that starts with W is Wednesday. So this actually says Maria has baseball practice on Wednesday afternoon. Let's look at a few more abbreviations, okay? BLVD is the abbreviation for Boulevard. So for example, I live on Quincy Boulevard. MON is the abbreviation for Monday. So today is Monday. TER is a little bit harder. It's the abbreviation for terrace. And that's kind of like saying boulevard or avenue after your street name. So you might say, I live on Sierra Terrace, and TER would be the abbreviation for that. FRI is the abbreviation for everyone's favorite day, Friday. Okay. DEC is the abbreviation for December. So Christmas is on December 25th. JAN is the abbreviation for January. So January 1st is New Year's Day. SR is the abbreviation for senior, like you will go to Plano West Senior High School. And AUG is the abbreviation for August, like school usually starts in August. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get some practice reading these compound words and abbreviations.